Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create charts and graphs in Asana dashboards. This is your complete 2025 guide. Let's kick things off by navigating to the project you want to track. The reason we do this is because Asana dashboards are project specific, meaning you create a dashboard for each project. Now that we've done that, look at the top of your screen and click on the Dashboards tab. Next up, we're going to create a new chart or graph. Click on the Add Chart button. This brings up a drop-down menu with lots of options. Select the type of chart you want to create, whether it's a pie chart, bar chart, or a line graph. This helps us because different charts provide different insights. A pie chart, for example, is great for understanding proportions, whereas a line graph is ideal for tracking changes over time. Now, you'll need to choose what data you want your chart or graph to reflect. You might want to track tasks completed, tasks overdue, or tasks assigned to specific team members. The beauty of Asana is that it allows you to customize your charts based on the data that matters most to you and your team. The next step is to set the parameters for your chart or graph. This means defining the time period you want to track and setting your filters. The reason we do this is to ensure the chart or graph provides accurate and relevant information. Now that we've done that, let's finalize and save the chart. Click on Save, and your chart will automatically appear on your dashboard. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is pulling in all the relevant data from your project and arranging it into a visually appealing chart or graph. And there we have it. You've just created a chart or graph on your Asana dashboard. This is a powerful way to visualize your project data, making it easier to monitor progress, identify bottlenecks, and keep your team aligned. That's all for today. Remember, the key to mastering Asana dashboards is practice, so don't be afraid to experiment with creating different charts and graphs. This will help you gain a deeper understanding of your project data and drive your team's success. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy charting.